Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So as you can see from the title, this is definitely a different video for my channel, but I thought it would be just a fun little bonus video. I'm gonna post this, not on my usual posting days, but I have an unboxing here for you that my boyfriend got me and I'm really excited to show you. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. So, one little fun fact about me is that I really love stuffed animals and things, especially that pertain to characters that I really like. For example, I have a SpongeBob stuffed animal. I have Patrick because SpongeBob was literally my obsession growing up and I still watch it sometimes even though I'm 23 years old. And I have a Stitch doll, I have a Stitch pillow pet, I have a Sully pillow pet. I have lots of stuffed animals and a cow collection of stuffed animals because cows are my favorite thing. So as you can see, this video is obviously about a stuffed animal of some sort. I know I'm a grown adult and it's kind of a weird thing to love, but I just do. They're so cute. I just love them and I don't know, I'm still a kid at heart. So my boyfriend got me a Build-A-Bear. You can see, he's peeking out. And this actually just came out and he luckily caught it and actually got it before it sold out. It is still currently sold out. I checked this morning or yesterday, and you can join a waiting list, which I recommend that you do because these sold out very quickly. And I also want to point out that they are limiting how many you can purchase. I think it's actually only one. They're only allowing one per order. So if you have multiple kids or something and you want to get them both, you may have to do 2 different emails to get 2 when they do come back. So this is the little Build-A-Bear house that it came in, and I'm gonna open it up. And I was so excited about this. So it comes with a birth certificate. It does not have, actually, I was surprised that they didn't put the name just because this is a specific character, but it has a spot where you can put the date of birth, the full name, gives you its height, weight, eye color, fur color, and you can put who it belongs to. So I'm definitely gonna fill this out just for the heck of it, cause I mean, why not? And now time to reveal my newest little obsession. It is Baby Yoda, or the child, that's the official name. Now, something really comical is that I actually didn't watch The Mandalorian. My boyfriend did, and he really loves it, and I've gotten him several Baby Yoda things. I got him a mug. I found, which if you guys are interested in this, check out your local Walmart, because I found a Baby Yoda beach towel. When I saw that, I literally was like, I have to get that for him. So now we've kind of been on this back and forth thing with Baby Yoda obsession. So he comes in his little, I don't even know what you'd call this. I really don't. It's his little suit or little jacket. So he literally looks so adorable. How can you not love that little face? And he has 2 different sound buttons. So on this one, I don't know if I should click it because I don't know if it might get copyrighted, but on this hand, which is his left hand, is the theme song, the sound of the theme song, and then on this hand it makes little noises. Makes 2 little noises, so I thought that is so cute. I just love him, and I wanted to come on and show you in this quick little video. I know it is so random for my channel, but I figured I would do an unboxing just in case there's anybody out there that kind of wants to see how this looks. He is super soft, he's super plushy, and he's just so cute. And he's actually brown underneath. I think this is supposed to be a little leotard type thing underneath, but I love it. He's definitely going into my collection, and he's just so cute. And he's a pretty good size, compared to my head, he's pretty big. They say he's 14 inches in height. That actually seems pretty accurate. It's, like I said, look at him in comparison to my head. But I absolutely love him, and I love my boyfriend for getting him for me, and I just love him. Maybe I should actually watch the show, I don't know. I'm not super into Star Wars, honestly. I just love him because he's so freaking cute. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap up this video, and by the way, it does come with a little tag, and he is called the Child, and that's what his official real name is, but I'm definitely gonna be naming him Baby Yoda because That's what I call him. So anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this quick little unboxing of little baby Yoda. And if you did, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you go. My channel does focus on beauty and kind of some lifestyle stuff, which this could count as lifestyle, right? Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!